Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your Bluetooth board on your Sony WH-XB900N headphones. So for this specific issue, the customer, when he plugs in this charging cable, the light comes on as if it's charging, and then shortly after it turns on and he's not able to power these headphones on at all, which the issue for that is a faulty Bluetooth board. The tools that you'll see me using in this repair video will be fine nose tweezers. We got a 1.5 Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some flux because there is soldering required. The tools you see me using, we do have them available on our website. The link will be down in the description below, as well as we do offer and provide a mail-in repair service for these headphones. So if you want to send them in and have us fix them because they're broken, you're more than welcome to do that. And if you are looking to do the repairs yourself, we do provide the tools and the parts to do that as well. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the Bluetooth board is located on the left hand side. First, what we're going to do is remove the ear pad, and removing the ear pad, you just literally peel it. Once you peel the ear pad, we got 5 Phillips screws that we need to remove. Once all the screws are removed, you can lift the speaker housing with the driver up and out, and we are going to apply some flux to all the solder points because we need to unsolder all the wires to remove the old Bluetooth board. Once that is done, we could begin unsoldering. FYI, if you don't know where the wires go, I highly recommend that you take a picture before you unsolder anything. That way, when you get back to assembling these, you at least have some form of schematic to go based off of. So the headphones just turned on right there after unsoldering those wires. So what I'm gonna do is unplug the PCB board that has the buttons connected to the Bluetooth board. We'll just unplug that and proceed with unsoldering the remainder of the wires. Once all the wires are unsoldered, we do have a couple Phillips screws that we need to remove so that we could pull the Bluetooth board out of there. We'll set the bad board aside. And for the new board, make sure that you apply flux to all the solder points. This is going to help bond everything together. Once we got the Bluetooth board installed, go ahead and fasten it with the 2 screws that we previously removed. And now we are going to proceed with soldering all the wires back on. We'll do the main wire first.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
I'm using my tweezers to hold the wire in place. Once the main wire is soldered, we'll go ahead and solder this sensor wire back on. And then we'll do the MS port as well. We'll go ahead and plug this ribbon back in. And last but not least, we do need to solder the speaker back on. But what I like to do before soldering the speaker back on, because it'll be a little bit difficult to do, I'll grab a Q-tip with some alcohol and just remove the excess flux just to kind of keep it clean. I would leave it where you're soldering the speaker, so those 2 points, I'm just gonna leave them. Once the speaker is soldered on, we'll go ahead and just drop it back into its designated spot, push down on it, and all that is left to do is secure the 5 screws that we originally removed. Now, last step is installing the ear pad. On the ear pad, you'll have a seam on one side and it's smooth on the other side. Where the seam is, that's the indication that it's the bottom. And the ear pad, it has like the slip, which you need to align it and get it in between the speaker housing and the outside shell. It's kind of a hit or miss, but usually if you're able to at least get one side in, like so, you can kind of go and just pull the ear pad and try to work the rest of it in. Use a spudger to help assist you if you need it, but the seam, you want it to be lined up with the charger port. And once you have done that, you have successfully replaced your Bluetooth board on your Sony WH-XB900N headphones. Once again, all the tools you need is you do need a solder iron, plastic spudger, we got a 1.5mm Phillips, and find those tweezers, as well as Flux. And if you guys are looking to send in the headphones for a repair, you could do so. If you want to DIY, we have all the links in the description to help you perform this repair on your own. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.